Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video we're going to be making a cover art like Summrs, more specifically inverted cover art like Summrs. And yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so the first way is going to be a long way, and then I'm going to show you guys another way that will literally take 2 seconds. So make sure you guys do stick around for that. This first way is just show you guys how you can, do it and break it down kind of, but I will show you guys how to do it in 2 seconds if you guys don't want to waste any time. So I'm just going to get a picture of Summrs really quick. So it's not going to be the best looking because the quality is pretty ass, but just for the sake of the video we're going to leave it like that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to just get yourself a gradient map, invert it, boom, there you go. Now I'm going to get curves, kind of bring the darks out a bit more, boom, get your brightness and contrast. I'm going to bring the contrast up, brightness up. You can mess around with the levels too. I mean, if you want to get a faded out kind of effect, or just in general remove some blacks, you can do that. Alright, so the next thing I'm gonna do is get the exposure. I'm gonna bring this up just a little bit, bring the offset up to about 42, 0.0042, bring the gamma up to kind of correct that. And yeah, you kind of have this nice black and white inverted filter. Now if you guys do want to get more darks out of it, you are gonna need a texture. So the texture I use is from Texture Labs. This is the texture right here. This is the name of it right here. I'm pretty sure you can search this. If not, I will leave a link to my free pack. I have it in there. But yeah, so you want to bring it down below all the adjustments, Control I, you want to invert that, and then bring it to like color dodge, add, bring the fill down a bit, boom, and now you have that like really dark, kind of effect. Now I'm going to show you guys another way you can do this, and this is by using my pack. So in my pack I have 18 different color lookups, whatever you want to call them, and my seventh one is the exact same thing. So if you guys do want to copy it, literally it takes 2 seconds to drag and drop. I'm just saying this will definitely save you guys all the hassle from remembering everything how to do it. Boom, just go through here. You can go through them all and actually find something else that you like something like that, and then you could even just bring the fill down if you want, or mess with the blend modes. You can do a lot of things with these. So if you guys are interested, this is the last day that sale is up, but if you guys do want to call, link down below. And yeah,